Welcome back to Road Rates. Today, we're going to be cruising up I93 North, going from the Massachusetts border to Concord, New Hampshire. Let's go. Okay, so that was I93 North. Overall ride quality, it was a very smooth road. It was straight, easy to go, not a whole lot of bumps. I'd give it a 9 as far as ride quality is concerned. As far as the scenery, it's fall here in New England. If you like leaf peeping, want to check out some the changing colors of the leaves, come here and check it out. It's I'd give it a 10. Most of the road was smooth, easy to go on. During took it about 9 o'clock during commute hours. There was a little bit of traffic going through Concord. Wasn't a really big deal. As far as any construction's concerned, you do have between exit 7 and 8 in Hooksett, there is construction happening, so the road will narrow a little bit. Also, there are the Hooksett tolls, which are, I want to say, a $1 toll. If you have Easy Pass, there's a discount. And otherwise, the only real issue per se for lowered cars is that the flex connectors on the bridges, you'll feel a little bit of a bump. But otherwise, approved for lowered cars. Thanks. See you next time.